Ayan guys, mag-fry ako ng meatballs. Kasi magagawa ako ng bagong recipe na yummy. Yung ingredients meron tayo mushroom, ang tawag nila dito tahin, at saka cream, black pepper, garlic, and onions. Yan po. At meron tayong parsley or baqdones. Habang napiprito, pwede ang meatballs i-air fryer nyo or else deep fry. As you like. Deep fry ko na lang para yummy. Ayan po, keep it until golden brown ang oil. Ayan po guys. Ayan guys, na ano ka ng garlic, onions, turmeric, Maggi powder, black pepper, parsley, and mushroom. I cut slice